Hello and welcome back to Digital Dynamo Lab. In today's video, we are going to learn how to convert decimal numbers into octal numbers. Another important numbering system in computing. I will guide you step by step so that even if you are new, it will be super easy to understand. Let's get started and convert decimal to octal together. Now let's learn how to convert the decimal number 4596 into octal. Step 1. We divide the number by 8 and note the remainder. 4596 divided by 8 gives a quotient of 574 and a remainder of 4. 574 divided by 8 gives a quotient of 71 and a remainder of 6. 71 divided by 8 gives a quotient of 8 and a remainder of 7. 8 divided by 8 gives a quotient of 1 and a remainder of 0. Step 2. Now we write all the reminders from bottom to top. So the reminders are 10764. That means 4596 in decimal is 10764 in octal. With this method, you can convert any decimal number into octal quickly and easily.